Good afternoon. Welcome to learning Excel tricks and very different ways to use some formatting tools in Microsoft Excel. So today I have the formatting option. I'll show you all how to use the formatting option to color and use different type of colors, to represent different numbers in a table or in a sheet. So as you can see here, this is a detail for construction buildings. Security personnel required to supervise the construction sites based on the current day's schedules and the current work that the people require. So what we'll do is there is an option of formatting these. Each number would be formatted into a different color, which would tell you which particular day what is required. So, for example, number one we will mark as red, number two we'll mark as blue, number three green, number four brown, number five pink or purple. Okay, let us put it as pink. And number six, purple. Number seven, yellow. Number eight, uh, blank. Number nine, we can go with dark green. You can go with orange as well. Orange. And then for zero, we can use a light color, maybe gray color. Okay, so we've listed what we need to do. Cut, paste. Yeah, we'll use the. Okay, don't need these columns, so I'll delete them. I've deleted them. I just left one column at the start. This is building B. This is building A. This is building B, and this is building C. So what we'll do is we'll use the uh, shift uh, together with control. Use the down arrow key. It will do it two times. It will select the entire length of the number of rows that are there. Similarly, holding the control and shift key together will select. uh, uh, so holding the shift key, then we'll use the right arrow key to select all the columns that we have in the four different buildings. We'll go to home. We'll go to conditional formatting, click on conditional formatting, uh, highlight cells, greater than, less than, between. So here we want an exact specific number. So we'll select equal to. I'll click equal to. Format cells that are equal to. So I'll use 1 here. Or I'll use 0 here. Uh, you can see light pink or dark red. So we had decided that we'll use number 5 for a pink. We'll click OK. So you can see by default that color has changed to pink. So number 5 was supposed to be pink. So you can see all the cells with number 5, they've changed to pink. Here the background color is the light color. So what I'll do is, first of all, I will go select the entire sheet. What I'll do is I'll use shift right arrow key, since The four tables are formulated and center aligned. They all get selected by four taps on the right. Then I use the shift control and down arrow key two two times, three times till it goes to the last row of the data. I'll go and click on home. I'll go and use a blank no fill color, and you will see the default color that was selected has been removed, and now we have the number 5 as the base figure with the color pink. Now what we'll do is go to use shift control down arrow key so it goes to the last cell which has data. I use control X to cut this data. Then I use page down to scroll down and paste the I'll paste the data here so that once we start updating the cells with different colors, we know which particular cell and which particular column to use that color with. So now I'm going to use shift control up arrow key so that I can get to the topmost row. Okay, that did not work. Okay, that's fine. We'll use the shift and page up key. Okay, now managed to reach the top. Now I tap on any cell outside here so that I don't change the cell again. I remain at the top. I use I use shift control key and the down arrow key. I use it three times so that I reach the last cell. Maybe at times it may work with two keys depending if there is no blank cells within the first two three rows. If there is a blank cell, then it will go to the blank cell directly. But what is the last cell? You use control shift control and the down arrow key maybe two three times till you reach the last uh, row where there is data there. Then I use shift and the right arrow key so all the four sets of tables are selected. I go back to home. I tap on conditional formatting again, highlight cells. Again, I select the option of equal to. Then here I see we've done one already. Now we'll select, sorry, we've done five. We'll select one. We'll select one with red color. So uh, okay, so this doesn't give me the option of different colors. So we'll use custom format. We'll tap on OK. Okay, so you see when I tap on custom format, it gives me the font and the border that I need to use. So I don't need the font color to be changed. I don't need to add any border or change the color of the border. I basically need fill so that the column and that particular cell gets updated. So I'm going to use the red color now. So red is selected. I tap on OK with custom format and then I click on OK. Now you can see one all the ones in all the four tables have been selected with red color. Again I go back to the top of the sheet. You can use the page up key and you then tap on the very first uh, row. Use shift control down arrow key. It goes to the first set of data because the following row has no data, it's blank. Then I tap it once more. Now it goes to the next particular row where there is a data which is number 7. In between there are two blanks, so the system ignores those blanks and goes to the next data. So 7 is not the last set of row that we have in this table. I tap the shift control tab while holding the shift and control together. I press the down arrow key once, it goes to the last column. last row, sorry. Then I still hold shift again, use the right arrow key, all the four sets of columns or the tables get highlighted. I tap on home again, I go to conditional formatting, tap on highlight cell rules, click on equal to, I tap 2 here. I will use again custom format, tap on custom format. Now 2 is color blue, so I'll use the normal blue, then click OK. Then once again click final OK. You can see all the twos in all the four columns have been now highlighted to blue. So again, we can use control page up. It doesn't do anything. Shift page up. So it's highlighting certain amount of data. If we just simply use page up, we'll continue going up. Then we tap on the very first row. Then we tap on shift. We tap on control together with shift, use the down arrow key one, two, three times. Then I remove the control key. I still hold the shift key and I tap the right arrow key four times. So all the highlighted cells get selected. So if your uh, set of column is not set to center aligned, then you'll have to select all the columns right till the end from B to column AC one by one. Here, because I have grouped the four tables together, that is the reason why I have to only select the shift and the right arrow key four times and the entire set of data is highlighted. Go back to home, tap on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, tap it, then tap on equal to. Here I will tap 3, then again I click on the drop down, fill with custom format. Now I'll select green. So I'll select the light green or the green which is like fluorescent color. Now you can see 3 has been selected. Again I use page up, go right to the first row, tap on the first row, then use shift, control key again, down arrow key once, twice, 3 times. It goes right to the end. While I hold shift again, I use the right arrow key, tap 4 times, entire data is selected, tap on home again, tap on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to. So we've done green. Now we need to do 4 which is brown. We type 4 there, then custom format. From the drop down click on custom format, then there is option of brown. We select brown, then we click OK. Once again finally click OK. So you can see all the fours have been highlighted in a brown color. So again I go right to the top of the sheet, tap on the very first row, shift control down arrow key once, twice, thrice, then shift right arrow key 4 times, entire data is selected, click on home, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to, type 6, 5 was already done, 6, type 6, then tap on the drop down, click on custom format, purple color, here we have purple color, tap on purple, click OK, then click OK once again. You can see all the number 6 now highlighted as purple color. Again use page up to go to the right of the top of the sheet, tap on shift, control, down arrow key 3 times, then shift right arrow key 4 times, all data cells selected, tap on home, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to, then type number 7 in the drop down in the cell. Then after that, from the drop down, click on custom format, click on yellow, click on OK, then click on OK again. So we've done from 0 to from 1 to 7 now. So we'll go back again, page up, tap on the first row, shift control down arrow key once, twice, three times, then right arrow key four times. All data selected, tap on home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules equal to type 8, uh, custom format. So we'll leave this as no color for now, as it is blank. We click on OK. You can see all the eights are with the blank white or the default color. Then I go back to the top of the row, first row, shift control again, down arrow key once, twice, three times, then shift right arrow key four times, entire data selected, tap on home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules equal to, and I type number 9, then tap on the drop down on the right hand side, scroll down to custom format. From custom format, select orange, tap on OK once, tap on OK again. So now you see 9 is also selected here. What remains now is the number 0. We go back right to the top again, select on the first row, shift control down arrow key once, twice, three times. Uh, Tap on it three times while you hold shift control key together, and then use the down arrow key. So all three need to be tapped at the same time to get the result, otherwise you won't get what you're looking for. It will only select or go down one row at a time if you don't select all the three together. Then shift right arrow key four times again, the entire data selected, tap on home, format painter. Now you see there is an option under, sorry, not format painter, sorry friends, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules equal to, when you type number 0 there, under 0 tap on custom format. So now we forgot what was the color that we needed to select here, and the name is not showing here, so I'll use cancel again. I'll go down right to the bottom of the screen again. Okay, so we have to use the color gray. Again, I'll use page up. Page up, go to the first row. Use shift, control down arrow key once, twice, three times. Then use shift and the right arrow key four times. Tap on home, conditional formatting, highlight cells equal to, type 0 in the cell, then click on custom format from the drop down again, then select the color gray, click OK, click OK again. So now you see all the information has been updated and colored as per the numbers that we require here. So one important thing, friends, this is the selection that we've done based on row number 1 to 117. Just in case if you want to do this sequence of conditional formatting on the whole of the sequences, so we will go uh, use the first row. We can just simply select this. You can see the count right now, we won't get the right kind of thing, so we'll just simply select the first column, use the shift and the right arrow key so all the columns are selected, tap on home again, click on conditional formatting the way we did, highlight cell rules, click equal to, then do the same thing again if you want, or at the very start or the beginning of the thing select all the entire row. However, just remember, selecting the entire set of columns together would actually increase the memory requirement of the sheet, and also would increase the space required for the file on your drive. So from the drop down, click on the drop down key, click on custom format. Number 1 I think was red, so uh, we'll select red, we'll click OK. Instead of 0 we'll change it to number 1, and we'll click OK. So here the entire set of data would be updated here now, because there is no data in cell number 117 or 120. If I go and tap one anywhere here, you can see here automatically, because of the conditioning of all the columns, the one has turned into the red color. So here this is how you would be able to select all the columns together and apply the conditional formatting for all the columns at once together. If you don't want to do it that way, select the number of rows or columns where there is data highlighted, and then apply the conditional formatting to only those rows, columns, and cells that get selected from the overall selection. So depending on what you want, you can select those number of columns. Suppose you want to select and highlight data from maybe row number 1 to row number 250. So use the shift arrow key and use page down till you reach row number 250. So once I reach 250, I'll stop. Yeah, I've just passed 250, so I'll use the up arrow key like 7 8 times till I reach row number 250. Then I select all the rows by using the shift and the right arrow key. Then I tap on home. Then I again go to conditional formatting. Then highlight cell rules equal to, then whatever number that I want to format, I type the number. Then from the drop down, I select the custom format again, just like we would do. Then tap that particular number, click OK once, click OK again, and the whole thing would be done. Right now, I'm going to use cancel because I don't want to apply this formatting till row number 250, because I've applied the formatting to the entire row. So this is how you format and condition all the cells in a particular set of data that you want to use and highlight. So thank you for watching this video, friends. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below the video, and I'll be happy to help you with any information that you're looking for, or any ways to make changes to the data that you want to apply to. Thank you for watching once again.